Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do what I got from Home Depot for the garden, and I will see you there. Stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so my husband took me to Home Depot and we got these 3 watering cans. This one and this one are both 2 gallons, and then this one is 1.75. This one's the only metal one we have. It's like $24. It's really pretty. It's got like little copper accents and stuff. Oops. It comes with this nozzle that you can screw on. See that? It screws on right here. These just slide on. This one's adjustable, so you can like take it off, turn it, so these all 3 holes work different and everything. And then we got, because he was concerned that the fertilizer I was using wasn't working, so we got this Grow 10-10-5 fertilizer. And these are concentrates, so you could just dilute them. And then we got the Miracle-Gro Plant Food All-Purpose. And this one is, where is it? This one is a 12-4 and 8 mix. So I'm going to be using those in the garden. Hopefully my plants do a little better than they have been doing. But you'll see that in another video of me using it and everything like that. So that's what I got from Home Depot. I just wanted it to be short and everything like that. Just kind of show you what I got. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on another video. See ya!